Today we are going to see the another important topic, due diligence in the audit report. What do you mean by due diligence? Due diligence is the steps of an organization takes to thoroughly investigate and verify an entity before initiating a business arrangement, whether what is with a vendor and a third party or a client. The purpose is differ from other things because due diligence is a relatively common term used in a business. It broadly refers to the process of investigating and verifying information about companies or investment opportunity, specifically for compliance team. The Webster defines due diligence as a pretense to a business. What is the purpose? Business needs to have written policies and procedure in place. Certain issues may be better addressed by using a checklist to ensure that the groups or individuals are giving the issues adequate time and attention. In addition to having guidance in a written form, due diligence call the boards to cooperate and collaborate with them with others. Uncertainty or certain circumstance, due diligence may mean seeking and obtaining outside expertise from attorneys, accountants, insurance agents, financial experts, etc. The three important principles of due diligence are identify and assess. Organizations are responsible for identifying if their activities might have a human rights impact and assessing the extent of the risk. Prevent and mitigate. Then organization must act in good faith to prevent those risks and omitted any existing or future impacts. Third one is account. Organization have need and maintain a thorough account of how they will protectively address any potential human rights. There are different types of due diligence. First, let us see vendor due diligence, investing the current or potential risk of new or existing vendors. Next one is the third party due diligence. It is nothing but assess the risk level of potential third party partners, including any vendor in your potential partners ecosystem. Third one is enhanced due diligence. It means uses the risk based approach to evaluate specific clients or companies. Next comes the technology due diligence. It is nothing but auditing your IT infrastructure for a potential risk. This also a common part of M&A due diligence. Cyber due diligence assesses, monitors and mitigates risk within a network, particularly those tied to third party vendors. Supply chain due diligence, addressing possible environment and human right risk by assessing the import of your entire supply chain. Financial due diligence, analyzing the organization financial performance before completing of merger or an acquisition. ESG is nothing but determines the impact of organization may have an environment, social and governance issue, actively take steps. How to conduct it? It has certain important perform due diligence. First is I define goals and the relationship, set roles and responsibility, audit company documents or the processes, access risk management, report on due diligence. These are the 5 important steps in common how it has been conducted. Let by see one by one. First one, why are you engaging a new third party partner, vendor or other business relationship? Second one says about the who is responsible for what and how they are responsible, and to ensure how they understand everything and contributed to the auditing report. Third comes the document and process. This documents you can audit can vary depending on the organization you are auditing, the type of business arrangements that you are pursuing. Might look financial documents are IT structures, internal controls, complaint procedures, and more on. Next